Florida Lieutenant Governor Jeanette Núñez joins me now. Lieutenant Governor, thank you very much for being with us. Tell me what you're hoping to target in this legislation and how concerned you are about what's happening to children at the hands of these cartels across this open border.
Indeed, Martha, what we've seen with the Supreme Court granting the governor's request to impanel a statewide grand jury is we're going to be able to take the next step, investigating the criminal enterprises that are taking hold in child trafficking, human smuggling, drug smuggling, all the things that are impacting not just a border state like Texas, but states like Florida. And so Governor DeSantis has been very clear. We are going to do everything we can to keep Floridians safe, and that includes using the tools that we have at our disposal. The governor has created a strike force to interdict human smuggling that is taking place in Florida. He's got the grand jury that will be investigating and looking at what are the things that we can do to protect Floridians. And he's also made it illegal for common carriers to knowingly work with enterprises that are bringing illegals into Florida. Biden's border disaster has made everyone less safe with historic numbers, record numbers of individuals flowing through our border, enough fentanyl to wipe out the entire population of the United States. This is a crisis. It's a humanitarian crisis. It's a national security crisis. And for Governor DeSantis and I, we're going to continue to do everything we can to keep Floridians safe.
So how do you handle the cartel part of this story when you're impaneling a grand jury in Florida dealing with investigations, I would assume, into Americans?
Yes, and what we're doing, not only working with the grand jury, obviously they will investigate and they will have all the tools at their disposal to see those criminal trafficking enterprises. Because let's be clear, this is not just well-intentioned people trying to get folks across the border. These are criminal cartels. They have an illicit industry that is far surpassing the arms industry and will likely surpass the drug industry. Human smuggling, they do not treat those individuals, as we've seen by some of the issues that you brought up in your segment. What we're seeing is that these individuals have little regard for the safety and well-being, and they are using them as commodities. So in the grand jury, as well as all of the other pieces that we discussed, we're going to continue to look at ways to not only interdict the human trafficking that's taking place, but also make sure that we prosecute them to the fullest extent of the law.
Jeanette, thank you. Jeanette Núñez, Lieutenant Governor of Florida under Governor DeSantis. Very good to have you with us.
Hey, Sean Hannity here. Hey, click here to subscribe to Fox News YouTube page and catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis. You will not get it anywhere else.